The last thing to do in our kitchen, besides the floors, which we haven't done yet, is the backsplash. And our construction team left right before actually Thanksgiving, because they had another job, and this piece right behind the kitchen faucet wasn't in yet. It's a piece I ordered off of Etsy, and when I ordered it, it's a tree, a type of tree branch, and the artist, it came from Turkey, and the artist said I could pick any kind of branch. And so I picked a cherry blossom because we're scheduled to go to Tokyo in the last part of February, and I thought it might be nice to have a cherry blossom in the art piece. We might not see them bloom, we'll be right before that season, but they put a branch from that. And I didn't have the tile yet. And so the tile, we were just able to measure that and get that from Lowe's, our local store, one of our local improvement stores here in our area in Texas. And tomorrow, and they did all this tiling for the backsplash. And I had tried to do it before with a self-adhesive, but they went up under between the counters and the cabinets, and tomorrow they're coming back to finish it and grout it. And we love it. It's our same team that did the tiling in our second bathroom, and their work is just amazing. The grout I selected is a honey almond, so I think it'll be really nice. And that's the last piece to finish up, besides our floors, which are scheduled to be done very soon. Take care.